Okay, I'm gonna get ready to unbox my safe that I bought here off Amazon. So I'm gonna give you a review of it and an unboxing. So this is the actual manual which comes with this. I like it because it says waterproof and fire safe. This is all the content that comes in the package. You have the safe, the manual, 4 batteries, and 2 keys. And right here, it talks about the fire alert waterproof fire safe. Protects paper records and other valuable documents. UL tested shows that the interior temperature remains below 350 degrees for 30 minutes during a fire up to 1550 degrees Fahrenheit. For this safe is protected by our lifetime fire warranty guarantee. Please see page 8. And it talks about how you want to store this document right up here. Master firearms warning. This safe is not designed to store medication, items with combustible content, guns, or other weapons. So it's not designed for that. You want to store paperwork or maybe money in this safe. So, and it gives you other information. In opening the safe, and I'm going to show you how to do all of that. Like I said, it comes with 4 batteries, 2 keys. Locate the batteries. I'm going to show you how I installed it. Slide the cover off. So this tells you how to install the batteries. And it comes with a preset manufacturer code for this safe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hit this button here. And you can change it. Opening the safe, I'm going to show you how to do all of that. And lifting the lid. And if you enter the code 3 times incorrectly, it's going to shut down for 4 minutes before it will open. So if somebody try to steal the safe and they enter the wrong code 3 times, it's going to shut down for 4 minutes. Then after 4 minutes, you could open it again. Okay, opening the safe with the key. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. And then on this page, closing the safe, I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to go and how to program your personal code. So it says open the safe using the 5-digit code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this button here. And then you want to lift the lid, locate the reset button. I'm going to show you where the reset button. You need a small Phillips head screwdriver to take this off. And then it says press the black button and the LED will flash yellow. Enter a 4 to 8-digit code, press that key again, then re-enter that code to confirm it and press that key again. And if both of the entries match, the green light will light up for 2 seconds, indicating that your new password has been successfully programmed. If both the entries does not match, the red LED will light up in 2 seconds. And you will have to repeat the steps 4 through 7. So make sure you got a small Phillips head screwdriver. And that's really all to this thing. It's really simple. So when the battery gets low, it will give you a warning sign. And this talking about battery maintenance, clean hands, clean safe. Make sure you document your model number and your key number in case you lose your key and stuff. And it has like I said, your model number, key number, and locate this information. You want to document the 1-800 number. So you can just write this stuff down in your new package. All right, here we go. So here's how this thing looks. And here go how you operate it. I'm gonna go ahead and open this, take out one of the keys. here. Open this again. That's with the key. So it has some warning signs in there. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in on it, see what it say. So you can read this security talking about warning. Security latch must be closed to protect items. Store safe in flat horizontal position only. Then it got other different languages, which I don't understand. Your number and stuff there at the bottom. So I want you to record this in case you need to get a key or something. Right here is where you put your batteries in. So you just slide it. Okay, I got the batteries out. Some cheap batteries, but you could probably go get you some Duracells or Energizer. So the negative right here go on the spring side. Just push it in. Always the negative always go towards the spring. Guess they are good. It's beeping. There you go. Okay, after installing the batteries, this comes from the manufacturer with a preset code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you get this right here, and it will open. So here go the manufacturer. I'm gonna show you. I done put the batteries in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I hit this, and it opens. And once it's open, you can go in and get whatever you want. You can close it back, and then what you can do, just push it down, it automatically lock. But if you open it with the key, you don't hear no sound. You close it. Let me see what, and there you go, it locks. So you can unlock it with the key. You can remove your key and you can open it. And then what you want to do is just push it and close it. So to reset the code, you want to enter the code and open it up. And once you open it up, what you want to do is take these 2 screws out, these Phillips head screws. Take this off, and it has a black button here. What you want to do is push this button, and you see that light blinking yellow up here. And what you want to do is enter a new code. We're gonna say 5555. Hit this and go 555 again. Hit it again, and it confirms. You heard that noise? It start blinking. So that's the new code now. So if I close this, now I'm gonna enter the new code. It opens. So that's your new code. Let's try that one more time. Got a certain amount of time to enter it. So you press it, and while it's blinking, enter that code. So enter that code again. There you go. So we want to close it. Let's try the new code. And that's it. And what I do, if I put some timestamps in here to where you can go and just see the code and all that other stuff. So I put timestamps in if you just want to know how to reset the code or how to replace the batteries and things like that. And like I said, the batteries, just slide this open And from what I see, it's okay. So I do a review on this maybe in a few months and see what's going on. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.